Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So unlike other Mondays, this Monday turned out to be a bloody Monday. We have seen bloodbath on the charts. Just after the market opening, we saw a massive candle on DXY. It made a high of 114.43. And right now we can see the market is going for some correction. Market is taking rest right now. If you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made a good opening, good profit right after the market opening, because we were of the opinion that DXY will remain bullish. My dear friends, again I'll say that if you are standing against the trend of the market, you must be very careful. Market is extremely bullish right now. We do not have any resistance on DXY is heading towards 120 because that is the next resistance. Till then, the rest of the pairs will be under pressure. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So my dear friends, gold made a low of 1627. This is the low made by gold, and right now we can see that gold is trying to recover. Okay, now standing at 1638. So things have changed right now. Okay, so market will try to take risk because already we have seen some unexpected movement. So as a result, for the next couple of hours, at least during the day, market may remain sideways. Market may remain within this range only. As long as market is trading in this range, please try to avoid the market. Okay, as I always say, my dear friends, capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So as a result, do not trade as long as market is not giving you any clear sign. Okay, maybe market will get volatile again during the US session, but whatever it is, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So if market, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 1627, if market breaks the level of 1627, and if you see that market is showing same selling pressure again, if you see that market is breaking 1627 with a big red candle, then you will get the confirmation that okay, sellers are back again, and you can go for a sell position below 1627. And if you have watched my previous videos, then probably you know it very well that we have been discussing about the next support level around 1600 1620. So that should not be a big surprise for you. Okay, if market breaks 1627, then it should be heading towards at least 1620. Okay, and at least you should make a profit of 70 pips. So if market breaks 1627, you can go for a sell if the selling is high enough. And on the other hand, okay, listen to me carefully, and on the other hand, 1642, yes, we have a resistance around 1642, but in this market scenario, after this craziness in the market, it's better to avoid. It's better to avoid taking a sell position at 1642, 43, 44 level. If you have the risk appetite, if you can afford to take risk, you can take a sell position. But listen to me carefully, during the day, not in this candle, during the day, especially during the European session, if you see that market is going up again, and reversing, not this time, during the European session or after 4-5 hours, if you see the market going up and reversing from 1642, 44 level, then you can take a sell position, but that can be a risky sell. On the other hand, if you are looking for a safe selling opportunity in this market, then you need to wait for 1650 to 1654. This is the level where you can get a good amount of opportunity. We are considering 1650 to 54 level because we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as we have seen market showing some kind of support previously. So by combining both the factors here, this can be a good seller zone, good resistance for the market. If market goes up, if market shows some strength, some recovery during the day, then we can expect the market to reverse from 1650 to 54. So if market reverses, we can go for a sell. But on the other hand, as I just said a couple of minutes ago, that in case market fails to go up, sellers are back into the game again. And if market breaks the support, not support, the previous low of 1627 and starts falling again, we can go for a sell position again. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Right now market is extremely volatile, so capital protection should be your first priority. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, no trader is 100% accurate in the market, so please be very careful while placing any trade. Okay, so follow proper risk management and please be careful. Bye bye, take care.